So, what is it you want to do?
I want to straight pipe this bitch. What do you mean?
Wants to straight pipe his Buick.
Oh,
What is this thing again?
2007 Buick LaCrosse.
2007 Buick LaCrosse CXL. Okay, here's the before. Do you think you can unbolt it?
Everything's so small under here. It's not like my Civic.
Do you want me to get a jack?
My Civic was higher because it had the...
I'll go get the jack. Yeah, don't accidentally move anything there. We're tearing it apart to put a new belt in it, and we had to call the sled shop because everything is all freaking foobarred. Okay. It'll have a more growl. I'm tired of hearing this thing roll. The most annoying sounds, especially when it can't roll over a cord or a zip tie. Look how rusty the frame is.
I know, but it's all solid.
From the outside, it looks like a good car. From the underside, not so much. Look where I jacked it from. It was holding up and it came off the ground and then went back down. So your spare tire might be a little bit crushed.
That's my trunk.
That's your trunk? Oh no, that's where your spare tire sits, right?
Oh.
I'm pretty sure. Okay, so the hangers are there. I don't think those are coming out of the hangers.
I don't think so. Think it's too rusty.
Yeah, that's so... Dude, that thing's being held on literally by half the size of my pinky.
What?
So, see right here?
Yeah.
This one hanger mount, where it goes into the actual hanger.
Yeah.
See how rusty that is? I mean,
Machine rusty.
it's flaking.
Oh shit! Wow, I can see something now. So,
This is,
you got a, no, do you have, a drill?
Yes.
Okay, let's go get it.
So you just want to drill a bunch of holes in it?
Yeah. And what I do with my three-wheeler?
Oh god, this thing has no battery. Pick a drill bit. You just cut yourself.
Sharp. Yeah, they're sharp, dude. I didn't realize they're that bad. Here you go. How does this one come unscrewed?
No, it can go bigger.
We can. If it's not good enough, we'll go bigger.
I don't know if this thing's gonna have enough power. I mean, it's okay. Never mind. It's quite rusty. If I had the hammer drill, it would go a lot faster. I think that has it at work. Look at this kid. He's so proud. He's so proud of what he's currently doing to this almost mint Buick apart from the rust. The body of this car is freaking phenomenal.
I know, right?
The body of this car has nothing on it. The 1/4 panel has a little bit of rust, literally like a strip, like as long as my finger. And that's it.
Have you seen this?
But the undercarriage is pretty freaking bad.
I made a fucking folder in the FSU.
Where?
Right there, down
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they fucking
Dude.
Ow! Ow! This is awesome. Think it's gonna be any louder?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
If you drill a bunch of them, yeah.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna fill this bitch. Look how clean. Look how clean this bitch is.
Look how clean this bitch is. Walk around here, right? And see myself. Buzz down, Damion. Buzz down. Yeah. Got the inside, got the wood interior. Ooh. Ooh. All wood. All wood, leather seats, all the way around. Y'all wanna hear this? Check this shit out, right?
Well, I'm gonna start punching holes into it with the screwdriver and the hammer. So if you hear some banging, don't mind me.
What? You're not? No, 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 no!
Well, get your butt out of here and help me. Because I don't know what to do at this point, because that's like our only other option, is to just start putting holes in it with this. Oh no.
Why?
Oh, it sounds so bad.
Sound like back there.
Get out there. Let me rev it. Just sit back there and I'll rev it. You ready?
Yes.
It sounds so bad.
Let's fix it then. Turn it off.
How do you want to fix it?
Put some more holes in her.
What do you do?
Oh my God. She good? All right.
What do you want to try?
We can cut this tip right off.
Okay. Here we go. It's funny. It says off and then high. There's no like low. Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah. We're gonna need a bigger hammer.
I'll get you one. Put that one back down. I'll get you the big boy.
Oh, here we go.
It's a bit heavy, but
There we go. Dude, that'll knock off one.
harder.
I'll break my whole exhaust off.
Good. Make it sound better. Give her a shot.
Perfect.
It's gonna be a little bit lopsided, but
In the fuck, what?
what? What'd you do?
My pocket just came out this hole. Okay, that's weird.
This kid has more problems and he just creates himself more by cutting things off his car and hitting things with his cars. Cough, cough, wrap the Civic around a telephone pole. Okay, here's the before. Oh man. Not really. Give her a high rev. It really doesn't sound that good.
Told you it popped.
Yeah, but it really doesn't sound that good.
Hell yeah.
It just doesn't sound that good.
It sounds pretty good. All right, I'm gonna do a drive-by real quick.
Dear Lord, it sounds so bad. Oh, that car's like chasing him now. Holy crap. You seriously have no idea how bad that sounds.
Does it sound bad?
It sounds terrible.
I figured it does.
If you enjoyed the video of Damion breaking his car, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing.